Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best deep fryer that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the T-Fal FR8000 Deep Fryer. It's not hard to see why the F8000 is one of T-Fal's best sellers, as it is a great all-around deep fat fryer that will supply delicious fries and can also step it up for larger meals. It is also one of the easiest home fryers to clean, which is always a plus point in our book. But before we get to that, let's look at how well it performs. First up, it is a good size for everyday use. With an oil capacity of up to 3.5 liters, it can take up to 2.65 pounds of food in one fry. And while the fry basket is perhaps a little shallower than some other fryers, it is perfectly usable, and it means there's enough space for its brilliant oil filtration system. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Cuisinart CDF200 Deep Fryer. There is something really solid looking about this deep fat fryer, which has the Cuisinart quality stamped all over it. It has a good 4-quart capacity, which means you can cook up to 2.3 pounds of food in one fry, and the large mesh basket is easy to maneuver and has a cool touch handle that is retractable for easy storing. It is also quick to heat up, so perfect if you really like your fried food to be fast. And it maintains its temperature, so you can avoid that unappetizing oily slick on any follow-up food frying. Add in a built-in timer and adjustable thermostat, a removable enamel-coated oil container, and other dishwasher-safe removable parts, and you have a rather good chip fryer at a rather tasty price. You may also like to check our guide to the best cast iron skillets. At number 3, we have the Presto GranPappy Electric Deep Fryer. For all is what it says on the tin, no-nonsense oil fryer, why not take a look at the GranPappy with its old-school bucket design? There's a retro vibe to this electric fryer, which has been modeled on the cast iron pots of yonderyear. But electric, and with the ability to heat up oil and cook at crispily fried temperatures. Made from heavy-duty cast aluminum with a non-stick finish and skid-resistant feet, it would make an interesting addition to any kitchen, and it does fry your food pretty fast. The GranPappy's beauty is in its simplicity, not that many parts, and they are all nice and easy to get at and clean. It doesn't actually have an internal basket, so you pour the oil straight in and add your food, then use the supplied fry scoop to catch your fried items and fish them out. But it works, and the food is fried to a good standard. The main drawback is that the outer of the GranPappy can get rather hot, so watch your fingers and keep little uns away. At number 2, we have the Hamilton Beach Deep Fryer. The Hamilton Beach Deep Fryer ramps on some really good safety features, making it a great home food fryer for the family, especially if there are younger children eager for their fries. A cool-looking black and a nice, solid size, this deep fat fryer features cool touch sides to keep hands safe if they accidentally touch the unit when it is fired up and frying. Plus, there is also a breakaway cord that quick releases to prevent the fryer from tipping over if the cord gets pulled or snagged. And the lid has a clear viewing window, so you can check on your food without running the risk of a hot oil splash. So far, so safe, but how well does the Hamilton Beach fry? It has a workable capacity of 8 cups of oil, which equates to a family-sized 6 cups of French fries. With its immersed heating element, you get a fast oil heat up, and you can adjust the temperature to suit the food. And finally, at number 1, we have the Secura 1700-watt stainless steel triple basket electric deep fryer. For really fast food and meals on the go, check out this large deep fryer from Secura that rocks an impressive 3 baskets for multi-cooking. With the Secura, you get a jumbo basket for large foods such as chicken, alongside 2 smaller baskets for smaller batch frying. Worked together, you can literally fry a whole meal and get it totally tasty and crispy onto your plate. It also boasts a large oil capacity, 4 liters in fact, so this is a great home food fryer for families that want to crisp and go. For the less than $60 price tag, you also get a decent amount of additional spec, including a timer with automatic shut-off, cool touch outer, odor filter, and adjustable temperature control. Love this product? Check out our review of the best electric pressure cookers for our top picks. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.